Today I will mount Android Auto in my BMW i3s. I have a 2019 with the EVO system, and it's not so many manufacturers of Android Auto that support this new car yet. But this interface from DMP car design I know will support it. So this is the box. This is the Wi-Fi antenna for the Apple Carplay Android Auto, and some wiring. You get all the parts you need. This is the cable you will plug in the interface with into the main unit. You need to use an external microphone since the unit don't support the OEM microphone. Some USBs, one for normal USB and one for Carplay. Screen wires in and out, since you will connect to the original screen. And like in my car, I don't have aux for sound. That's why they have this interface that you plug aux sound into USB, and some extension for the aux.
It's very easy to remove the rear seat. Just lift it up in front and then you can pull the whole seat out.
This is the main unit for the OEM speaker stereo in the car. So you have to remove this. I have already loosened it. This is for power and everything. And this one is for the screen. This is going to the front of the car for the screen. So this is the Android Auto unit will connect to this and this. For sound, this is the aux. I will plug the aux extender here, and then on the other side of that I will plug the USB to aux adapter, which I will connect to the USB there for the sound to come to the speakers. Microphone wire, I put it through there, behind this, put it behind this gasket seal all the way, and then I hide it behind there. As you can see, I had to grind down some of the notches on one of the cables. So I have loosened up now. I will remove this from it, and also this cover. No screws, it's just clipped into place. So this is to get the USB cable, and I will try it into the box and try to mount it in a neat way. without it showing too much from the outside. Then I pop this out, and now we have opening. So I take out some hair for the wire and hair. It's not pretty, but so when mounted in the car, it will be sort of like this. The cable put through there, and they come up here. The aux and the USB. It's a lot of work to get it. And I put the cables like this. It will be a bit messed down here with the wires, but I don't use this compartment so much, so it's okay. I only had the phone here and some small stuff, wallet and things like that. Now I put everything in place. We'll see if this wire is too high when I get the seat back, if it's touching or not, then I need to redo it, but I hope it's okay. Here is the boxes there.
Getting the seat back in place, it's a bit tricky to get the seat belt through the holes in the seat, but with a bit of fiddling, and also using the belt harness to keep the belt in place so it will not slide back once you get it through the hole. It's possible to do. Holding the back button switches between the iDrive and the Android interface. It's a bit tricky connecting the phone at first, but here I connect with the USB cable and it's working. It's also some settings in the phone that needed to be changed.